I'm getting them shut down right at the county line now. Go ahead, Larry.
Are you the one at 89 to 935?
I'm in this church parking lot where the command post was last time, here at 27th.
It looks, myself at 894 are right here on it. It's going to cross between Union Hills and 19th Street going east. I don't think it's going to be anywhere north of 19th.
Headquarters.
Headquarters.
I see the rotation. There's going to be one around Forest and Tower, around there right by the school.
Okay.
But there's still a ton of traffic, and it's about to cross.
We have Frank 2297 430.
Do you think I visual?
It's on the ground. It's probably around Lonnie Lane right now.
Okay, headquarters, I'm sitting out Santa Fe, southbound at 4th Street.
Probably if it's coming along the north edge, there'll be a housing addition there. It's kind of housing.
269 headquarters. It's going to be approaching 4th Street in Oklahoma City, a little bit west of Santa Fe.
Good Lord.
.318, 430. 435. 435, I'm going to be 10-8. Right into about 4th and Santa Fe right now. Car 1 headquarters is approaching Hillsdale College or a little bit north of it.
They're a little north of Hillsdale.
Jesus Christ.
435, 200, you still around 19th and Santa Fe?
Affirmative. It's getting ready to cross Santa Fe.
272, we got some rotation above our heads to the right.
Holy crap.
Yeah, I got you. It's coming across the highway. It looks like it's just south of 4th.
That's the headquarters. It's going to be heading east. I see the debris farther around the tracks.
It's just crossing
Just advising we
Santa
lost
Fe
power here.
right here now, and it's coming into the Green Apartments.
USA headquarters.
203.
Advising we lost power here at 400 block North Broadway.
Clear.
We got power lines down across town.
Clear power lines down.
Go south a little bit so it doesn't get us out here. Was cleared. Heading south. 89 headquarters, we're headed